Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Replika account. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to your AI companion on Replika, then here's how you can permanently delete your account. First of all, launch the Replika app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account you want to delete as well. Now from the home page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Tap on account from the settings option and go to the bottom of the screen and tap on delete account. Click on continue to confirm that you'd like to delete your account. Select any one region while you are trying to delete your account from the next menu. After you are done, click on continue. Click on delete my account once again. After you proceed to delete your account, your Replika earned badges, completed conversations, chat histories, photos, and links that you've exchanged with your Replika will also be removed permanently, and it is not recoverable. After tapping on delete my account, enter your password for your Replika account on the next page. Now click on delete my account again, and that's it. Your Replika account will be deleted once your request is processed. Before deleting your account, make sure to cancel any active subscriptions too. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.